Good day everyone. So in this lecture I'll be showing you how to bypass HTTPS encryption. So as you know, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, while the HTTPS is a secured version of HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HTTPS is used in almost all the whole website, so it is a secured way of sending data over the internet. So if someone sends data over HTTPS, which means the data will be encrypted, which means even if you manage to sneak the data, you won't see anything meaningful. So let's say the user send my name is, what you will see is maybe star hash dot something like that. So it won't be meaningful. So in this lecture I'll be bypassing HTTPS encryption and injecting JavaScript code in the pages. So if you see my own folder here, I've already created a file named inject.js, which we inject. So let me cut inject.js, so which we inject an alert in the web page of the user, any web page the user load, writing the saying testing JavaScript. So it will send an alert message saying testing JavaScript. So, and I've already have my solid-data.cap file here, which is the command I want this tool to follow, which is the command I want to run. So now I will run the tool and try to bypass HTTPS. So I will clear the terminal first. I will zoom in so you can see it very well. So I will run the tool beta cap iface et0 minus caplet solid data.cap. So when I run it, as you can see, it has started the tool for me. It has checked for the possible IPs. It has checked it again. So that's what I said it should do. It should check it 2 times. It has started monitoring the gateway, which is the access point. As you can see, it has started ARP spoofing, which is it has started spoofing the ARP and many other things. So now I'll run the HTTPS hijack. As you can see, my HTTPS hijack has started also, which is loading my home Kali inject.js and other payloads that is already there before. So this is the one that will send us the alert message saying testing JavaScript. So now everything is working. So let's go to my Windows OS. So this is my Windows browser, and as you can see, I'm running the latest version of Firefox 99.01.1. As you can see, Firefox is up to date. So now I'll first go to a website, Stack Overflow, which is a website for developers to ask questions. So it's a website that loads only on HTTPS. So I'll be expecting this website to load on HTTP and send my testing JavaScript. As you can see, this is the alert message saying testing JavaScript, and if I click OK, the site will load normally. But if you notice this site is loading over HTTP. As you can see, it's showing us connection not secure. So I will test this over on another site, which is linkedin.com. So this site is a website that loads only on HTTPS, but I'll be expecting this website to load on HTTP and send my testing JavaScript alert. As you can see, it's sending me a testing JavaScript alert, which is the one we created. It's sending it from linkedin.com, but LinkedIn didn't really send this, and it's showing, as you can see, it loads the LinkedIn page normally, but notice it's loading it over HTTP, which is connection not secured. So by this, we can bypass HTTPS and see all what the user is doing, the visited URL, username, password, etc. So I'm just injecting a simple JavaScript code in this video. In my advanced course, I'll be injecting more complex JavaScript code and you'll be able to do all this.